Iseso ya kunyuva Macommisioner nzama ya kuungamia unyuvani Iebc noyambiiye itina wa President William Ruto Kwikia Saii Mwiao wa Iebc wa mwaka wa 2024 kyathi kila kiivikitwe ni atongoi syama vamwe na Utongoi wa uleika na Azimio Ikomano kwa ivinda yambee ni yiimukoman'ya mesani imwe President William Ruto na ndongoi imwe sya Azimio ila ivindani ya oyu metukisithitwe ikwata mbau maandamano ma mwika wa Gen Z na musukumo wa oyu metuki wa kumwenda President William Ruto evetange kivilani. Livoti yake Benjamin Mwaka.
Vakuve miaka ile kuma Iebc langu ya Macommisioner matanena kwa wasio umwe athela ama maithi umwe awea na langi maiti awea. Iseso thina withiano ya kunyuva Macommisioner ma Iebc ni kwikwatwo kwambia itina wa President William Ruto kwi umuthi Kwikia Saii Mwiao impya wa Iebc wa mwaka wa 2024.
The signing of this bill paves way for the establishment of the selection panel for the appointment of Iebc commissioners. The Iebc remains a cornerstone of our democracy, responsible for overseeing regular elections at various levels, and on the overall ensuring that our electoral cycle is managed transparently and administered in an impartial, neutral, efficient, accurate, and accountable manner.
Mwiao uoni usiao wambe uonenanyo nzama ya vamwe ya ulei na serikali ya NADCO ulona vitu kithiwe ni mbunge na unenganite mitata mithiu ya unyuvi wa Macommisioner ano undu ivathukanyo ivindani ya unyuvani syailo thinikiwa kwithukiwa kwa ikwani osumbe katwa maundu angi maingi gukonya unyuvani.
We made it very clear that both you, Mr. President, Mr. Raila Odinga, the Prime Minister, will have to agree on, perhaps most importantly, on who becomes the chair of the new Iebc.
Today's assent of the Iebc Amendment Bill therefore marks a significant step in the actualization of one of the recommendations of NADCO and testifies to our country's ability to navigate difficult, complex, and sometimes divisive issues that could undermine our national cohesion, undermine our stability and security if we leave it unattended.
All the other 8 bills that emanated from the NADCO report are in process in both houses. We had divided the bill between the 2 houses of parliament, and I want to give all of you assurances of both houses that we shall expedite in the processing of these bills with top priority.
Kwikia Saii kwa Mwiao kwa kilungu kinene kuneiwe nguni mutia wa miatiano ya mwika wa Gen Z ila inatumie President William Ruto ailasimika mbe kuichetheka mutatala wa kinandu wa mwaka wa 2024 na itina kulasimika kuola budget ya serikali kwichumani kivetu kwa shilingi bilioni ya na imwe na miongo monza na monza na mutia huu inesa kuthela no uendeye na yu serikali thiendekethi unenanya niwo usungio na nongina mwika wa Gen Z wetikile kwikala nthi na serikali.
But the NADCO report contains very many issues which are at the heart of the people of Kenya today. If you see the issues which are being raised by our youth, most of them are actually contained in the NADCO report. But if this NADCO report is implemented fully, we'll be able to address all those issues which these young people are raising.
As a way of charting the future from the current situation we are facing, I welcome all the leaders here, and I have heard what they have said this morning, and all other stakeholders working together for us to address the current economic situation through a broad-based political arrangement and to rally the country forward.
Now that the President has accepted to have a discussion with our young population, with our leaders, we call upon the people of Kenya to give dialogue a chance, to give consultation a chance, get off the streets, stay away from destruction of property, because Kenya is greater than all of us.
ndongo cha Azimio ni sienda mbe serikali thive misiando alama na kunikie ni uvuku wa polisi miatianioni na moisa maita maivetangwa anduni na mituki.
Mr. President, I want to urge that we look at our country afresh. There's no way we can wish away the Gen Z revolution. Can we, for a beginning, even in order to bring the country to normalcy, can you, Mr. President, order the Inspector General of Police, if he doesn't resign, can he remove the police from the streets? Can the army get out of our streets and back to the barracks?
Kuma vamwe wa Ilovi, dilivoti ya vilingwa mauvonye, nita wa Benjamin Mwakam.